My name is Stavros Didakis. I am a professor with New York University and I also work as a media artist. This project here is examining creative robotics and how we can utilize emerging technologies in relation to developing artistic work. The concept behind the installation is about parasites and architecture, and specifically architecture that it is enabled through technological means. It discusses about ubiquitous computing, the work, the computation that we have all around us, that in a way automates and controls various aspects of our environment. For this specific project, we wanted to have the robot executing the motion all around the space. It's almost like 360 degrees all around it, and also to be able to navigate from in different heights as well. Since it has 7 degrees of motion, it seemed to be much more capable of handling the complexities of this project. In addition, we developed custom grippers so that it is able to grab the objects that we have on the table. And one other interesting feature that I discovered was that it uses the force control, so when it grabs the object, it knows how much power it needs to, how much force it needs to put into it. And then this is important in our case because we need to ensure that there is a certain force for the objects, or they will be destroyed. One main outcome that the viewer hopefully can get out of from the exhibition is to consider how the robotic infrastructure, in combination with machine learning and artificial intelligence, is going to define the environments that we live in, and perhaps it will have a saying in all aspects of our lives, even from now and also certainly in the future. We need to consider also how that conflicts in the motivations of the machines and the humans, how we are able to resolve them or how we are able to approach them. And by understanding their motivations better, perhaps we also understand our own motivations as well.